flap your right wing, you flap your left wing, and together, you fly.
But this doesn't seem aerodynamically possible.
Yeah, you think too much. Flying is not what you think up here. It's what you feel in here. And when you feel the rhythm of your heart, it's like samba. You fly.
Oh, you're crazy! What are you doing?
I'm not gonna let you go! We're chained to each other, birds, remember?
В камине шесть